so crazy. You're like a circus dog.
Good boy. Good boy.
I am a digger.
Oh, a little bit of growl in there, Susan. Okay, Brakes. Find Montana.
Go get him. Good boy.
Boy.
Good boy. He says, I'll get him later.
Good boy.
That's a good.
Molly, what are they both doing? Oh, we can never keep them out of the water.
Bonnie never just walks in the
Like she's all stiff now. She's like, that wasn't a good idea.
And he still comes back to
Well, that's good that he walked in the water like that, though. I don't think this guy's got any fear.